Hello students. Hope you understand about patterns till now because we have completed more than 20 patterns till now. And in this pattern we have to print capital alphabet. For this we have to understand about ASCII values. What is the ASCII value of capital A? We should know about that value. Suppose I print int I j, these are the initializing values. Two values are required basically. Now for I is equal to 65, this is the value, ASCII value of capital A. I less than equal to 69, I plus plus. Then the second value for J is equal to 65, J less than equal to I and J plus plus. Then print. Here we have to write percentage %C because character is required, and here I have to convert the value of J into character. All other contents will remain same. Printf. Here you can write new line, then execute. This one is similar to your 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In place of numbers, I am representing capital alphabets. Here you can write print new line. You can print some, you can give some space here. Now execute the program. These are the values A, AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. These are the values. Now what about the second pattern? First requirement is ABCDE. It means 65 to 69. Then 65 to 68, 65 to 67, 65, 66, only 65 is required. First value is fixed and last is in variable and in reverse order. Basically these are the values of I. Now what we have to do, we have to write 69 here and we have to develop the loop in reverse order. 65, then I minus minus, second value will remain as it is, 65 to I, then printing of J. Let's execute the program for second pattern. A, B, C, D, E, yes, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, A, B and A. All the values are there in second pattern. Now, what about the third pattern? E, these are the values in reverse order and also these are the values in reverse order. It means both the loops should be in reverse order. Suppose I write here 69 greater than equal to I and this loop is in reverse order. Now check the output. Yes, E, ED, EDC, EDCB, EDCBA. Yes, this content is required. Now what about this content EDCBA? Now for that, first loop is in reverse order and second is I is in increasing order. It means here I have to write 65 I less than equal to 69 I plus plus. And what about the value of J? J varies from 69 to I in reverse order because these are the contents of J. E, D, C, B, A. These are the values of J. And what about A, B, C, D, E? These are the values of I. Now execute the program. EDCBA, EDCB, EDC, ED and E. These are the values. Hope you understand the content of converting numbers into alphabets. We have to convert the number into its character value, or you can say a sky value, nothing else. Thanks for watching my video.